Hello everybody inside the Creo Parametric. In this tutorial, I am going to model this hex bolt with internal grids. See? Now to model this hex bolt, I will open a new file, part, solid, assign the proper name, and hit the check mark. Okay. Now I will extrude how I did this. So I will provide a link in the description for you people that watch that video for the map keys, so you will understand how can you make and create the map keys for yourself to save your time. I will come to palette, polygon. I will drag a hexagon like this. I will close this. Keep this 100 for now. And let me drag it like this. I will save. Again, I will save. Now come here. I will keep it as a mid plane. Keep the extrusion length 100. And I will say OK. Press the middle mouse button to confirm it. Again, I will select this face. I will extrude on it and make it normal. I will draw a circle like this. Assign the dimension. Keep it 120 and save. See? Now I will keep it as a mid plane. I will remove material and I will save. See? Now again I will extrude on this face. I will make it normal and I will draw a circle like this. I will say OK. Now I will remove material. I will come to option, add a taper angle 45. Keep it downward and like this. Keep this angle 45 and save it. Now let me switch on the datum planes. Come here, mirror it, and I will select this plane. Say OK. Again switch off the datum planes. Now see. Now I want to create the internal threads. For that, let me change the view, hidden lines, and let me switch on the datum planes. I will come to this plane, sketch on it, make it normal. Again switch off the datum planes. I will draw a line like this, from here till here. Draw a center line like this, and I will save. Now I want to create the threads. For that I must come to helical sweep, and I will draw profile like this. Come here and draw a line like this, and I will come to dimension. Keep this one 2 for now, and I will save. Let me change the view. See, I will remove material, and if you want to decrease the pitch, you can keep it and confirm it. See, I created the internal threads. So this is how you can model a hex bolt. You want to change the view, come here and let me select this color for now. Downward, select part and save. See? So hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial. If you are new on my channel, so please don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the notification bell icon so that you do not miss any of the video that I am going to upload. Thanks for watching.